Have you ever been rejected or faced a setback that felt like a door slamming shut in your face? The sting of rejection is universal. We've all been there. However, what if I told you that rejection could be the best thing that ever happened to you? Today, we're going to explore how you can use rejection as a tool for growth, using the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy, particularly the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, to navigate life's rejections with grace and resilience. Imagine living in a world where every no doesn't knock you down, but instead propels you forward. In this world, rejection isn't something to fear or dread. It's a stepping stone on your path to greatness. This shift in mindset can be a game changer in how you approach challenges in your personal and professional life. It's time to stop letting rejection control your emotions and start using it to build a life of strength, purpose, and fulfillment. Lesson 1. Embrace rejection as redirection. When rejection hits, it often feels like the end of the road. Whether it's a job opportunity that slips through your fingers, a relationship that didn't work out, or an idea dismissed by others, it's easy to fall into despair. The Stoics, however, encourage us to see rejection not as a dead end, but as a redirection. Instead of viewing rejection as an obstacle, they suggest seeing it as the universe guiding you towards something better. Rejection, from a Stoic perspective, is often the universe's way of saying, not this way, but this way. When one door closes, another opens, but only if you're willing to pivot and explore. Instead of fighting the closed door, you must ask yourself, what new opportunities does this create? Reflecting on your experiences, you'll often find that rejection was steering you away from something that wasn't right for you, whether it was a relationship that didn't align with your values, or a job that didn't suit your talents. By embracing rejection as redirection, you can move forward with a renewed sense of purpose. Rejection is not a sign of failure, but an invitation to explore new paths. See rejection as a redirection, a nudge towards something that better aligns with your goals and values. When you accept this, you begin to view every setback as a chance to recalibrate and grow. Lesson 2. Don't react emotionally. When rejected, it's easy to let emotions take over. Anger, frustration, and sadness are natural responses, but they can cloud your judgment and prevent you from seeing the bigger picture. The Stoics teach us that our power lies not in controlling external events, but in controlling our reactions to them. When we let our emotions control us, we give away our power. Instead, we should embrace the Stoic principle of equanimity, staying calm and composed regardless of what happens outside us. The next time you face rejection, practice pausing before reacting. Take a deep breath, reflect on your feelings, and ask yourself, why does this bother me? Often it's not the rejection itself that hurts, but our own insecurities or attachment to the outcome. Rejection forces us to confront our fears and doubts, and this self-reflection is where growth begins. By staying calm, you take control of the situation instead of allowing it to control you. When you react with composure, others will see your strength, and you'll emerge from rejection with a sense of dignity and resilience. Don't let rejection dictate your emotional state. Practice emotional self-control by taking a step back and reflecting on why you feel hurt. This awareness allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively, ensuring that rejection becomes a catalyst for personal growth. Lesson 3. Focus on your own path. Rejection is painful, but it doesn't have to derail your progress. One of the most powerful lessons from Stoicism is the concept of focusing on what's within your control, your thoughts, actions, and decisions. When you experience rejection, it can be easy to get caught up in negative emotions or obsess over what others think of you. But the Stoics remind us that our worth is not defined by others' opinions or judgments. Instead of dwelling on the rejection, channel your energy into self-improvement. Dive into activities that bring you joy and personal growth. Take up a new hobby, read a book that challenges your thinking, or invest time in learning a new skill. These actions will not only help you recover from the rejection, but they will also enhance your sense of self-worth and purpose. Remember, rejection is only a temporary experience. The Stoics understood that life is filled with ebbs and flows, and no moment, whether it's good or bad, lasts forever. By focusing on your own path and staying true to your values, you allow yourself to rise above rejection and continue your journey forward. When faced with rejection, redirect your focus towards self-improvement. Rejection doesn't define you. Your response to it does. By focusing on what you can control, you can use rejection to fuel your growth and progress. Lesson 4. Build your own value. Rejection can feel like a personal judgment of your worth. But Stoic philosophy teaches us that your value is not determined by others. When someone dismisses you, ignores you, or overlooks you, it's important to remember that their judgment is not a reflection of your true worth. Instead of internalizing the rejection, use it as an opportunity to demonstrate your value through your actions. When faced with rejection, take a step back and reflect on how you can improve yourself. If you were passed over for a promotion or overlooked in a meeting, don't take it personally. Instead, focus on improving your skills, building your knowledge, and expanding your expertise. By demonstrating your value through your actions, you not only prove others wrong, but you also prove to yourself just how capable you are. Remember that your value is not determined by anyone else's perception, but by the effort you put into your growth and development. Rejection is an opportunity to rise above, showcase your strengths, and step into your full potential. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth. Use it as an opportunity to demonstrate your value by focusing on self-improvement and taking action. Your value isn't tied to others' opinions, and your efforts will eventually pay off. Lesson 5. Detach from the outcome. A central Stoic teaching is detachment from external results. When you invest too much of your identity into an outcome, such as getting a particular job, relationship, or recognition, you set yourself up for disappointment. Rejection becomes much easier to handle when you detach from the need for a specific result. Instead of obsessing over the outcome, focus on the process. Do your best, take pride in your efforts, and let go of attachment to the results. This mindset shift can be incredibly liberating. Rejection no longer feels like a personal failure because you are no longer attached to the result. You learn to find fulfillment in the process itself, knowing that you gave your best and that's all you can control. Detach from the need for a specific outcome. Focus on the process and take pride in your efforts. By letting go of the attachment to the result, rejection becomes less painful and more manageable. Lesson 6. Trust in the process. Stoics believe in the concept of amor fati, the love of one's fate. This means accepting and embracing everything that happens in life, including rejection. When faced with rejection, trust that it is part of a larger process that is unfolding for your growth and benefit. In life, not every opportunity is meant for you, and sometimes what seems like a rejection is simply a course correction. If something is meant for you, it will come to you at the right time. Trust the process and have faith that rejection is simply part of the journey toward becoming the best version of yourself. Instead of resisting rejection, lean into it, knowing that it is leading you closer to where you are meant to be. Trust the process. Life has a way of unfolding in ways that are beyond our understanding. Every rejection is part of a larger journey, and by trusting in that journey, you find peace and confidence to keep moving forward. Lesson 7. Take control of your mindset. The Stoic approach to rejection is all about mindset. Rejection is inevitable, but it is how you choose to view and respond to it that matters. In a world where we are constantly bombarded by external opinions and judgments, the most powerful thing you can control is your own mindset. When rejection happens, remind yourself that it doesn't define you. Your self-worth isn't determined by others' opinions, and you have the power to choose how you view the situation. By adopting a resilient, growth-oriented mindset, you can transform rejection from a setback into a powerful motivator. When you choose to view rejection as an opportunity for growth, you'll find that your resilience increases and your ability to overcome challenges strengthens. The power to change your experience of rejection lies in your mindset. Rejection doesn't define you. How you choose to view it and respond to it does. Embrace rejection as an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. In conclusion, rejection as a stepping stone to greatness. Rejection is not something to fear or avoid. With the Stoic approach, rejection becomes a tool for personal growth and empowerment. By embracing rejection as redirection, maintaining emotional control, focusing on your own path, demonstrating your value, detaching from outcomes, trusting the process, and taking control of your mindset, you can turn rejection into a powerful catalyst for success. Life's challenges, including rejection, are inevitable, but they don't have to define you. With the wisdom of Stoicism, you can navigate rejection with grace, build resilience, and continue to grow. Remember, every no is just a step closer to the right yes. Embrace rejection, learn from it, and use it to become the best version of yourself.